One of the biggest frustrations with the pool market in general throughout the country is that right now things are so backed up that pool builders are taking anywhere between 6 months to 9 months, some places even 2 years, to get a pool in a home. The thing with Plungie, what makes it great and unique, is that we can actually have a pool dug out, installed, and have families swimming within a month to a month and a half at the most.
Hi, I'm Rusty Watkins. I'm with Plungie USA. We just installed a Plungie Max right here in Crawford, Texas. The fun fact about this project here in Crawford, Texas is the dealer, Russ, with Lazy Days Pools, brought in Tony with All Source. Tony's done several Plungie installations throughout Texas, so he brought him in to collaborate with the project so they can make it a success for the homeowner.
We were looking for an alternative to traditional gunite pool installation, and we only want to partner with the best. And whenever we found Plungie, I reached out to some people that I know in the industry, different aspects, and a couple of them were familiar with Plungie and provided me a contact, and I was able to contact Donovan with Plungie and kind of start the ball rolling, get the information I needed, and not only that, the support that I needed, and that's continued from the very first day. I can't say enough about the guys and gals at Plungie. If you're looking to get into this industry and looking to partner with what I consider to be the most reputable, the best product out there for the type of product that it is, and I just can't stress enough that it wouldn't be anybody but Plungie for me, and I encourage you to make that call.